Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Hull University's email account. So let's get started. So to log into your Hull University's through your email account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for University Email Login Hull. And after searching for that, you'll come up to this page, and from here you can just tap on this first option, which is from University of Hull. And from there, if you scroll down, here you can find this first option, which is email. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that, it will direct you to this page. From here, what you can do is just simply enter your email, your phone number, or your Skype. So I will enter my email. So after entering your email address, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on sign in and you will successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password, and after tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your password. And after resetting or recovering your password by creating a new password for your account, you just have to come back to this page and just enter the new password that you have created and then tap on sign in. After tapping on sign in, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Hull email account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.